guys, so welcome back. I'm so excited for this one because I want to make it a series until next year, but we are going over how much I made on my Airbnb for the month of August. August was a great month. July was even better though, because July is like one of the highest months, and then October is going to be a doozy for me because I know that one's going to bring in a lot more money. But August was pretty good, so we're going to go over my expenses first, and then we're going to go over how much money I made out of that. Now, I want to announce the vacation winner, even though I've already announced her on my community tab under YouTube, my channel. And then I've also emailed her, and I have also sent out on Instagram that she won. She does have, I think today is going to be her last day. So if she hasn't contacted me yet, then I'm going to have to pick a new winner, but it is Miss Janae or Janae Young. So congratulations, snaps for her, you guys. So there will be another vacation winner next year, hopefully, or maybe even before that, with my campground. And then you guys know I want to do this every year, so there will be winners to give back my love to you guys for always supporting me. So free vacations for everyone, hopefully. Let's get into this money. So I know last month I said that I did not have a cable bill, but I did decide to put Hulu for live TV, and that is an extra cost of $60 that I'm gonna have to pay, and I particularly don't really care for it. So I'm actually gonna get rid of it and just replace it with a cable box so that everybody knows that I have cable, and they don't have to text me or call me that it's under the Hulu thing. Hulu is more expensive. I think I'd just rather go the traditional way and just do a regular cable box because it's less expensive. Now, I did already add cable into my Xfinity, which is my internet provider, and I have not yet gotten a technician out there to put a cable box in there. It's going to cost me an extra $127 for a technician to go out there, as well as an extra $7 to $9 a month on top of my extra bill. So maybe a little bit less expensive than the Hulu one. That's actually a lot less expensive. So I'm going to get rid of Hulu and just do the cable box with internet. The good thing is that I did not need to pay for internet in August. My next bill is going to be at the end of September, so we are not adding that in there. However, I'm reaching $90 for the internet and cable because I added stuff in there that I shouldn't. So I'm gonna go through and take that out, but $90 is a lot plus the $60. I just don't need that. We're gonna cut expenses, you guys. We don't need that money. So next up, I did not have to pay a mortgage. When you buy a house, you get 2 months off. That was really good. So all of this is just pure profit from July to August. September is when my next bill is due, and it's actually September 1st today. It's actually September 2nd today, and I paid my mortgage yesterday. So didn't feel good at all. Didn't feel good. But thankfully, I don't have to come out of pocket because my Airbnb does pay it off. Thank God. No money came out of my pocket for August for my mortgage. Next up is electricity. I thought my electricity bill was gonna be like $50. People be having my lights on a lot, so my bill went high. I'm sitting at $111 for my electricity bill. What are these people doing? Are they sleeping with lights on or something? Is it my fault? Did I miscalculate something? Strange, you guys. How much is your electricity bill at your normal houses? If not, $111, I might have to think about investing in some solar powers because that's ridiculous. So ridiculous. Next up, we have my maid fees. My maid came 5 times, which means it's 100 times each. So I'm sitting at $500 in maid fees. My bookers, my people who come to my house to stay vacation, they do pay that. But Airbnb doesn't actually take it out of my profit when they send it to me, or they don't take it out of my gross, so I need to actually go into my bank account and pay my maid. So that is going to be subtracted from the total amount. So here's my experience before I give it to you guys. I love Airbnb. I love the Gatlinburg area. I will show some pictures of what it looks like. It is a great vacation. I want to live there. Since I bought my house, I have been to Gatlinburg, I don't know, I'm getting real close in how many times I've had to visit Tennessee, and I love it. I'm going back for my birthday so that I can go out there and decorate it for Christmas. I think I want to make it perpetually Christmas inside of my cabin with trees up all the time. And it has been just a wonderful, wonderful experience. So in August, we had 18 nights booked and only 11 nights that were not booked. That is sitting me at a 62% occupancy rate, which is kind of low, but for the amount of money people were spending up there, we made a really good amount of money. So we're still learning this, we're still new, we're still getting our reviews in. We only have 8 reviews right now as of filming this video. They're all really good. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get hit Superhost by October. So, you know, we are learning, we are growing, we are new. I'm not expecting 100% all the time because that's unrealistic. However, I do think I'm gonna be hitting more than 60%. Maybe next year by August. So it's been picking up more and more, thankfully. So in the month of August, we made gross $3,919. Taking out all of my expenses, including my maid fees, we profited $3,248. Cha-ching! I love it. I love real estate. I'm so happy that I can experience this. This was a long-term goal that I thought I was not going to be hitting anytime soon. And here I am sitting here making my second video on how good we did our second month being open. So if you guys have a goal, you have a plan, obsess over it and attack it. Attack it with everything you have. You will get to where I am. So then again, thanks so much for watching. Let me know down below, are any of you guys Airbnb hosts? Do you want to do Airbnb? And we can have a conversation down below about how much you made or some tips on how I can make more money. You know, I'm still learning as well. If you guys want to take my mentorship on talking to me about Airbnb, long-term rentals, how to do it from hours and hours away from where you live. My Airbnb is 8 hours away. So if you guys want to talk to me about that, increasing your income, maybe some extra ideas that I can mentor you on going after your goals, you can check out my mentorship on my website, or I can leave it down below, right here in the description box, in the comment section, as well as put it up here for you guys so you can read some reviews. So a lot of people have gotten it so they can talk to me strictly about notary stuff. Some people have gotten it because they have no idea where they're going in their life and they just want someone who can try to put the pieces together for them, give good ideas. And if you guys just want a mentor, hit me up. I would love to talk to you guys, and you know, I love giving back. So here's to the next vacation winner, and by next year hopefully. And Janae, I hope to have talked to you already. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.